Hi, everyone. My name is Amanda Woodard. I'm sorry, I'm a little hoarse. I'm getting over influenza and COVID. So maybe that's the interesting thing about me, I guess. But when I thought about, I have three kids, they're elementary age. We stay pretty busy. They're involved in like youth sports, 4-H, church, all kinds of stuff. So I teach at a small 1A rural school in North Central Kansas at Pike Valley. I'm at the junior senior high building, so I have grades 7 through 12. I'm the business teacher. So I teach 7 periods a day. In a lot of my classes, like most small schools, are doubled or nested, which means I will have multiple classes in one period. Um, so I do enjoy that because it is very full. The day is always moving forward. So you never know what is going to happen or what to expect. But it makes the day go by fast. I'm also our building counselor, which mostly means I manage Power School right now. But hopefully down the road, I'll be a little bit more involved with those kinds of duties. Um, I'm the junior high sponsor, yearbook advisor, FBLA sponsor, and I'm the sponsor for NHS. So short-term goal, I'm on the mission to complete my master's. So, you know, that little hole at the end of the tunnel, it's really coming. And then long-term goal, uh, my bachelor's, I have a BA, but my focus was human resource management. So helping people problem solve, work on things, even do some of the guidance part with like, further education, things like that really appeals to me. So I'll be that full time down the road and hopefully get a master's in school counseling. Um, from this course, I hope to learn a lot because I'll be honest, I don't know that much about curriculum. As far as adopting it, like what to look for. When I started, I inherited an empty classroom with no real resources. And so, like probably a lot of people who didn't know, um, I was just told have lesson plans ready for Monday. And I just started Googling and found the state standards, and that's kind of just what I've built off of during my time. Um, so I'm excited to understand more of the nuts and bolts of what goes into making those decisions and what should I change to be working in a positive direction with my own curriculum. Okay, thanks, guys.